I'm out here with a couple of friends, shooting some clay pigeons, shooting some guns. As you can see, we're pretty well loaded. You know, half of this arsenal's Mr. FUSEY right here. You know, then the one lonely shotgun, that'll be douchey. So, but we out here shooting some clays, so we're gonna see how this goes, and I'll get back with y'all. It's okay, you don't have to shoot, Bailey.
You can't get a shot off?
I pulled the trigger twice, I forgot to put the safety bag on.
After the first time, you should knew something was wrong.
At least he's pointing the gun at them this time.
Yeah.
Earlier he was going.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, missed that one too. All right, I'm out. Yeah, I'm gonna let him get his gun. We smoked them too. That was it. Let me get some of that. Yeah.
Almost got both.
Yeah. Wait, you shot at one too?
Oh, I got the one on the left.
Okay.
I shot at the other one, but I missed.
It's hard shooting against him, man. He's actually on time.
Oh, you can wear your camera?
Yep. I got that first one. I think you got the second one. Yeah. They might fly, but they don't fly far.
Except for them first two.
Except for the first two.
Except for all the ones that are still whole on the ground over there.
Alright, now it's time for the pistol challenge. We're going to take some clay pigeons. We're going to take one at a time shot. I'll be using my 1911. I think FUSEY's got two guns he's going to try. He's going to try it a little.
357 first.
Yeah,
It's not going to work out.
Yeah.
And Glock 19.
Glock 19, and Bailey's gonna try FUSEY's 1911. So here we go. I didn't even see that one.
Alright, so keep going high.
Yeah. Still high.
Still high. I came down. I was close high or far?
No, you were right on it. Just high. Can't even see where I'm hitting.
Still high. I saw that one hit high.
I'm leaving that pigeon home. I'm going on another one.
Yeah,
Bailey got
Bailey got it.
Finally!
Now we can go to another one,
That's
goddammit.
one.
Did you hit it?
Hold on. I don't know. Nah, I didn't hit it.
I'm going to put a one right above that. I don't know where that one is.
I didn't see it either.
A little bit low, Bailey. Got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
That's two?
It's two. You got two?
Yep.
Bailey got one?
Yep.
Three.
Damn.
I need more practice with this gun. This is only the third time I ever shot it.
Hit the tree.
I don't count if you hit the tree.
Four.
Off the tree.
4.
Yeah.
I'm about to go switch to the Smith & Wesson.
There you go.
5.
Going all the way to the right on top of the tree. It's too close together.
Yeah. What that is? What that is? 8. With 357 snub nose.
Pretty sure I hit a PC at that last one you hit.
You want a half a point?
Yeah?
I give him every little bit he can get.
Nothing.